go ahead and click on this, see if this works out for us. Okie dokie, I think that works. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is October 13, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels I have on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she has, and then I'll go over gold and oil for you guys as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, you can see we're going a little bit sideways. We did have support right around these 43.23s, right around 22.23, and below that 43.19. Kind of dipped close to about those 23s and then popped back up. You can see we're coming right into a mid level that we have 43, 44.25, a little bit above that. My main level of resistance that I have is going to be somewhere around these 43.64.75s to as high as about 43.70. That's going to be my area of resistance that I'm looking at. In fact, I can probably adjust this just a little bit to the top of this. Yeah, it's going to be maybe a little bit closer to 43.74.25 at the top. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. We'll see if we get the market to get back up into this area. If we do, then I'll probably look for a opportunity for a short off of that area. So we'll see if we get that opportunity, probably short it back down to 44.25, and then below that, again, my support's going to be somewhere around these 43.23s to about 43.19. But with that said, I'm going to hand it over here to Wendy. She'll be going over some of the minor levels that she has here. Wendy, okay. I'm going to allow you to share the screen, okay?
Okay, darling. Okay, good morning, good morning. What do we have here? What information did our past sessions yesterday primarily, what information did they give us? Well, they gave us this main support, bounced off of a main support and then skyrocketed up to a resistance, created a double top, which was a fail because it didn't come back down, but the bulls were going to try to punish the bears and bring it on past that level, but the bears took it over and created this beautiful triple top. Was this a fail? In my opinion, it was, because if the double top didn't bring it down to support and the triple top wasn't able to bring it down support, what in the hell will bring it down to support? Maybe nothing. So here are our micro levels in between the support and the resistance. Number one, right here. See how the market used it? Used it for the bounce up to go where? To either target this mid-level neck area of the triple top for the down move. No, didn't work. Here's our fourth micro peak, went above it. So is it targeting this area and beyond? It's possible. So we want to let the market play out and see if it's going to come back down and use this micro peak here for a move up, or our third micro peak here for a move up, or our fourth micro peak. It's a little bit shallow, but it's possible. Depends on the bull's momentum. It's possible to use it for the bounce up. Or is it going to make a quadruple top and make this thing go into a death dive? We don't know. But we have our information here. We have our main levels. We have our micro levels. These are our tour guide. We use these to let the market tell us where's the market going to continue to go. I say up, but we'll have to wait and see what it does. All right, Mom.
Oh, my. Still too.
Okay, darling.
Good job.
Pass it back to you.
All right, let's go ahead and do this. All right, so moving over into gold. Good job, Wendy. Moving over into gold, we got resistance here, 1770.1. We'll see if we get up there, get some rejections. If not, next level up is going to be 1774.8. And you could see we have a potential for this to go maybe closer to about 1778 as well. for the resistance. So we'll see. We'll get right around these 70.1, see if we get the rejection. If we do, we can look for a short from that opportunity there. Moving over though, let's go ahead and take a look at crude oil. Pulling this one up here, crude oil did bounce again from our support, kind of dipped just a little bit lower than that area and then popped right back up, coming up against another level of resistance, 80.06. I do think maybe we'll push through that level and then try to get all the way back up to those 80.84s, but we'll see. I'd rather see maybe another try down to the bottom of support and then a push back up to 80.06, and then through that all the way back up to those 80.84s and then 81.05 as well. That's going to be our level of resistance. Strong resistance there could actually bring us right back down. So we'll see if we get the opportunities to do that on crude oil as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube as well. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.